Alright. Alright, what I'm going to do here. Alright. Get out there. Alright. Master lock. It's locked. Alright, let's see. Where's my keys? That's alright, this is a test lock that I ordered. And I got these tools with it. I wanted to see if I was any good. I could pick a lock. So I got this, I ordered it. I picked it. It's kind of hard to pick. With my tool in there. Alright, see what we got. Let's go ahead and almost, come on now. Had it. Alright, let them loose. Grab them, pick them back up. That last one. There it is. Got it. Alright, that's one. Alright, now let's see this one. This one right here is a little bit bigger. It's going to be more complicated, but I think I can do it. Let's put that in there. Put that in here. Come on, baby, get in there. And that back here is right in the back. There, got it going. Bam. And that's how I picked a couple of locks. It was really easy. I think I'm going to be pretty good at doing this. I'm going to try to see how many locks that I can pick. It's pretty decent. See that tool there, the way that's shaped. They both got, all of them got different shapes and for different things. So these were easy. I got these down. I just need some more. So more to come later.